Hi friends, welcome to Tosi Tech and Creatives. Guys, today topic is how to install the AWS EC2 instance. How to create this? See, today I will discuss about how to create the AWS instance. Guys, nowadays most popular in AWS in Azure using in cloud platforms. That's why I am working in AWS platform also. I will create the one EC2 is simple method I will discuss about in today. Okay guys, first of all go to my AWS instance. Go to my AWS console. First of all open with Chrome and go to AWS console. And sign in the my console. My account will be sign in this and go to the EC2 instance. See, these are all dashboard in AWS services. Create the instances, instance type, launch templates also, and create the image also on AMIs. AMI means Amazon Mission Images, and volume, snapshots, and security groups. Most of the services, this is a very important also services all. And first of all I will tell thee how to create the AWS instance. That's why go to the running instance. See, this is a launch instance page. Any you can create the any services, any launch the instance, you can display this page. See, is one of the regions of I am created Asia Pacific in Mumbai, AP South 1. Create the this region in my services all. You can select the any regions, you can do it this. My available region is Mumbai, that way select this Mumbai. Okay, see, this is the instance actions. What is performance of instance stays start and stop all. You can insist settings also, you can any T2 T3 attached. All are I will discuss you. First of all launch the instance also. You can write the how what is the create the is AWS instance. Then first of all go to the launch instance. See, step 1 also choose AMI mission image. AMI means Amazon mission image. Okay, first step will be you can one freestyle image will be, you can choose it, you can select this. You can type the Ubuntu server also below the search bar also, can type it and enter. See, these are all only freestyle eligible source Ubuntu server. If you know anyone, you can select this checkbox. Once you can checkbox freestyle only, can display the all freestyle services. Okay, I am selected in 16.4. Okay, see, step 2 choose an instance types. Okay, this choose an instance types. Instance types means, see, this is a all types of instance will be launched. Nano, T2 nano, T2 micro, T2 small, T2 medium, T2 large, X large. These are all types of your instance. Only these are all paid services. Only T2 micro was it can freestyle eligible. You can any practice also, you can select the only T2 micro. In case any if you can work on your company needed to T2 medium, T2 large, you can paid services all, that will be selected your purpose also. See, this is a instance type. Types also general purpose. See, these are all general purpose. Once you can compute out means, see, These are all families also compute automate. We can select this that also large only. Next is CPU instance. CPU instance means you can large also, you can instance CPU instance family also, you can type this only X large also, P28, P2, G4 don't work also present, but you can ask any interviewers also what is the family of instance types also. General purpose, compute optimized, CPU instance, memory optimized, storage optimized. Once you can ask in types what is the types of in EC2 instance, T2 nano, T2 micro, small, medium. That's all you done it. Okay, next is see under below section is cancel previous review and launch. One of the all is done is once you can click on the review and launch, then directly you can launch the instance. I don't need, I will discuss about step by step and go to the next configuration instance details. This is the most important point also. Step 3, configure instance details. Okay guys, observe carefully. What is number of instances? You can launch 1 or 2 or 3 or more or 10 or 20. You can select this 10 or 20. You can type this. Once you can launch it on particular all, you can 10 instance will be running there. Have only one also and select here. Next is networks. Networks means you can by default network is selecting, and subnets also. Subnets you can any create the security purpose also. You can create one VPC, can select there. This is a by default subnet also. My Mumbai regions is available South 1B, 1A, 1C also. That case I will select the default subnet. You can any created on VPC, you can select here. Okay, then see auto assign IP. Once you can enable and disable. Once you can disable, you don't create the IPs in public IPs and private IPs. You can access, don't access the anywhere. Once you can enable this, once create this your public IP or private IP, you can access the anywhere. Next is this is open or close or non group also, any group of created that anything problem. Next is this one, IAM roles is very important. IAM roles means you can select the security your application also, your server also only access my team members. That's why created roles also. Once you can create this, only access the create and write permissions and role permissions. That way anyone you can create the roles also select here. My case is don't create anyone. You can try it. Once create the IAM roles, you can select it, then definitely you can access that person also. Okay, next is shutdown behavior, start and stop and terminate, and I will show the once you can launch the instance. Where is this one? Okay, next is monitoring. You can CloudWatch also monitoring. Once you can create the CloudWatch, then enable it. You can definitely your instance also any critical traffics, you can alert this remote notifications. That way these are all options is very important. Okay, next is next below section is add storage. Add storage step 4 also. These are so important, and volume type, device, snapshot, size in GB, and volume type also. Volume types also I will create the general purpose and EC2 instance, and then add new volumes also. You can add this EBC also root. Another 8 GB will be created. Total 30 GB upon to get upon to 30 GB EBS will be created in your general purpose. Up to 30 GB will be created. Anyone add to add up to 30 GB will be added in your EC2 instance. In case any emergency purpose also we can add this. And next is go to the tags. Tag section means step 5. Add the tags. Add the tag section means name and value and web server. You can any application will be installed is select that name also. Add tag and name is select the name. Name can given the name also Tomcat. Any name will be given here. See how to add the tags. Go to the add tags and select the name, key and value name, and go to the configure security groups. Next step. Step 6 is configure security groups. When any security groups you can install this. You will install the traffic instance and inbound roles and outbound roles. Inbound roles and outbound roles. Once you can add the security groups also, you can add the port TCP IP ports also. Then once you can select here and any access the port you can give here. My Tomcat port is 8080. That is you can access this. Go to the anywhere also you can select here. Once you can process you can take this port and public IP and access the port. You can access here. That is a security groups, and inbound roles is a incoming traffic and outbound roles is a outgoing traffic also. You can mention here. After I will adding this. Okay, next is go to the review and launch. See, step 7 is review and launch. Once all cases is done, once you can check here, go to the AMI, select the AMI Ubuntu and Freestyle project. Then instance types also I will select in P2 mediums. Then next is security groups also and add in only SSH port. Then next is instance details also, and secure VPC are added to the and storage groups and tags also. Everything you can display this review and launch. Once you can done everything, you can launch here. Once you can launch this, select an exiting key pair and new key pair. I have already created in on key pair also. That way I am also exiting key pair. Your case also, see, choose an exiting key pair. You can select this, create a new pair. Your case also you can create a new pair. Type this any your name also you can type this anywhere. You can type this key pair name. Once download a key pair and launch instance. That way your case is done. Do it this. My case also already created. I am select the exiting new key pair and checkbox and launch instance. Once you can done is all launch instance. See, and below you can view the instance once launching or not. You can see this and see one service is running. T2 micro I will select this. It's pending stage. Successfully installed in our AWS EC2 instance. See, once you can running this. See, these are all stopped instance. This is starting the instance. See, it's running, successfully running. See, my Tomcat EC2 is running. See, DNS server IP address given access here, and once you can copy this anywhere you can access here. This is a public IP given the any run this anywhere you can access the public IP. Definitely you can run it. See, this is my availability zone in South Asia. Once you can add the security groups, go to the launch wizard and then go to my inbound rules. See, this is the inbound rules, and edit the inbound rules. Once you can add this, and next is AMI's platform details, T2 and T3 unlimiteds, EBS, elastic block storage also. All is mentioned this here. And see, instance state is running, type is T2 micro, and private IP, DNS also, private IP 172.131. By default create the one IP, private IP, and VPC ID and default VPC, and subnet also, and default subnets. IAM roles not they mentioned here, and my key pair name is AWS Basics. Launch time in August 7 in 2020, 11:34 in timing also you can mention here. And see, this is all description also your instance. See, once you can running stage, how to stop and how to terminate. This is a connecting purpose. My case also SSH, your case also putty also can give the DNS name. Anywhere you can select this. 3 or 4 methods also you can use this. You can select here. Next is create the template from instance. Once you can create the instance, you can go to the templates also, accessing the documentations, types of the, once you can add this my template name, given the template name and version also, add this. Once launch the templates also, definitely all survey apps will be applications, any application will be installed. Definitely that is all creating. Next is instance state. This is a very important, and start, top, reboot, terminate, all our options is this here, instance state. Next is instance settings. See, instance settings means once you can don't add the tags and add the tags names, and auto scaling group add, and IAM roles also add. Anywhere attach the IAM roles, go to the right click also, go to the instance type and attach the replace and IAM roles. Then change the terminal productions. Once you can terminate this, once you can reload will be, you can use this option. View and change the data. You can view the all types of this case, all information you can view this, and go to the right click instance type, view and option will be one option will be is there. Next is change to T2 to T3 micro. Any, if in case of any requirement also, I can only launch the T2 micro. You can go to the T3 micro and go to the instance settings, and change will be T2 to T3 micro. Instance screenshots also you can mention here. Next is any IMI image will be created. Definitely you can create the image also. And networking side you can add the security groups. Already I will tell this. These options also attach the network instance, and this also monitoring purpose you can enable this. See, this is a launching instance types also. You can definitely your case also see once you can actions will be enable this all. Your case also will try it definitely. You can create the one AWS account and go to the launch instance, and one instance will be launched here. These are all options will be mentioned this. Okay guys, today class is, I hope all are you understanding. Okay, tomorrow also definitely a new topic will be discussable. Okay guys, please like and share and subscribe, and don't forget these bell icons. If you any case any suggestions also, you can type this your comment section also. Okay guys, bye, thank you.